영화는 남편 케일럽과 건태를 겪는 미리암이 오랜만에 동생 그레타가 살고 있는 외딴 오두막을 방문하며 시작합니다.
Hey, stranger.
How's it feel to be back?
Where's your boy?
He's inside. You okay? Yeah.
남편 딜런과 결혼하여 그를 따라 울창한 숲에 둘러싸인 이곳에 정착한 그레타. 그녀는 언니 미리암과 달리 남편과 여전히 신혼 같은 뜨거운 관계를 유지해왔고 늘 어리광만 부리며 철부지 같던 동생의 행복한 모습을 본 미리암은 그렇지 못한 자신과 비교되어 씁쓸한 마음이 들었죠.
Remember that holiday in the south of France? The one where it rained all the
Yeah,
time?
and I had to save you from those BMXers in the park.
That's when Dad started calling you my white knight.
Was it?
Yeah, sounds like a white supremacist. Oh, can I?
No,
No, it's only going to bite you later on.
just leave it. Oh my god, you bad! Your freckles have really gotten intense this year.
Have they? You get more intense every year. It's
어린 시절부터 친한 사이였던 미리암과 딜런. 딜런은 오랜만에 동생과 함께한 미리암이 반가웠지만
you guys should stay the whole week.
I feel like we might have to go back early.
Does he just really not like it here, or
No,
I can tell you're lying because your eyes do this thing?
no, they don't.
Yeah, they
What thing?
No, they do this thing when they go up to the corner.
That just means I'm thinking.
Yeah, thinking about the next lie you're going to tell.
근심이 느껴지는 미리암의 모습에 그는 달리 해줄 말이 없었죠.
You come back more often.
That's not fair. You know how busy I am. I've offered to pay for her ticket like a million times.
I think she sometimes feels like you're trying to prove how much better your life is.
그리고 은근히 기싸움을 하는 자매를 지켜보면서 딜런은 나름 중간의 입장을 지키려 노력하는데
I can't believe you convinced her to start eating meat. You brainwashed her.
She just doesn't do everything you say anymore.
미리암은 동생과의 관계의 변화가 딜런 때문이라 믿고 싶었죠.
Oh, what are you going to do when your contract ends?
I was thinking of getting a place near you guys.
Or just you?
I meant we.
What's going on with you two anyway?
I don't know.
You seem really distant from each other.
Yeah, the move's been really stressful.
You need to show Caleb you love him. Maybe he's getting out now before you can really hurt him.
그리고
Relationships take work. It's not that they're shit all the time and you're compromising yourself, but you should try hard.
Not everyone has what you and Dylan have.
어느새 훌쩍 커 충고를 하는 동생의 모습에 그녀의 생각은 점점 더 깊어져 갔습니다.
I think I'm gonna go to bed.
그날 밤 진작 자리를 피한 케일럽과 졸음이 밀려온 그레타마저 집으로 들어가
Good night.
모닥불 앞에 미리엄과 딜런 두 사람만 남게 되는데 둘 사이엔 묘한 분위기가 감돕니다.
What?
어딘가 기분이 좋지 않아 보이는 그레타. 미리암도 다급한 걸음으로 다가옵니다.
You look like shit.
I was thinking on the drive over here about this awful dream that I had. You were in the next room from me and I could hear you coughing and breathing all weird.
그리곤 불안한 마음을 이야기하는데
I don't know, the flu or something. And finally I knew that something was wrong, so I went into the next room. And you were hanging from a belt by your neck.
What is wrong with you? I don't give a fuck about your dream. I asked him to fucking do this. I mean, what the fuck is he playing at? It's his family.
어쩐 일인지 그레타는 굉장히 신경질적인 태도를 보이죠.
You don't have to worry.
There's like 50 people coming to this thing, and I still haven't made the fucking ice cream.
Or I can do that.
Yeah.
What I can.
그리고 자신을 달래주려는 미리암에게 화를 내버립니다.
I'm not starting a fight, Greta.
He insisted on hosting this year, mother.
He's taking advantage of you.
Don't.
They're not even your family.
I know what you're doing.
Why are you trying to protect him?
Stop.
그런데 미리암은 동생을 진정시키다 갑자기 딜런의 욕을 하는데
You know, I didn't even want you guys coming here this year. It was Dylan's idea. He thought I should give you a second chance.
Look, I don't know what he told you.
You can't stand me being happy, can you?
I just want you to see him for who he really is.
You are so full of shit. It blows my fucking mind.
I always thought of you.
Maybe when we were kids, you tell yourself you were protecting me, but you can't now, can you? Don't for a minute pretend you're doing any of this shit for me. Are we done?
자신도 모자라 남편까지 욕하는 언니를 보며 그레타는 결국 폭발하고 맙니다.
Thought maybe you weren't coming.
Told her I was heading to the farm a day early to help my parents.
What if she calls the house?
She won't.
No, she does?
She leaves a message. I was cleaning the barbecue. Didn't hear the phone ring.
아내에게 거짓말까지 하고 몰래 미리암을 만나러 온 딜런.
I thought about this all day. The shower, at work, on the drive over.
모닥불 옆에서 이야기를 나눈 밤 이후 두 사람은 묘한 관계 속에 오늘 만남을 가지게 되었는데
You know, I was thinking about all day.
What?
I was thinking about that night by the fire. I never heard how you felt, what it meant to you.
It meant a lot. I have a vivid memory of it.
So do I.
You know what I was thinking about?
그날 무슨 일이 있었는지 딜런은 갑자기 끓어오르는 감정을 주체하지 못하고 미리암 또한 그의 행동에 동의하는 모습을 보이죠.
Don't move.
What are you doing?
그리고 미리암은 특별한 걸 준비한 듯 딜런을 흥분시키는데
And?
I found my way into your swimsuit. Start kissing your neck and you let out this.
Did I like it? Did I say anything to you?
You said don't stop.
Did you?
No,
No.
no.
그날 있었던 둘만의 비밀을 회상하듯 딜런의 이야기를 들은 미리암은 한 채의 망설임도 없이 그의 머리를 내려칩니다. 그리고 왜 그녀가 딜런에게 이런 일을 했는지 시간을 거슬러 올라가는데
What happened to that chemistry teacher that always used to say top banana? Yeah, remember Mr. Pink?
Who's Mr. Pink?
Chemistry.
Mr. Bevan?
Yes. Oh my god, he was so hot.
No, you're the only one who thought that.
그레타가 집으로 들어가고 두 사람은 옛 학창 시절 이야기에 시간 가는 줄 모르고 빠져 있었는데 분위기에 취한 그들은 그만 얼떨결에 입맞춤을 하게 되고
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whoa. Whoa.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. God, I'm so shitty. It meant
It's okay.
nothing. I didn't mean it.
I know. Everybody's shitty.
Caleb's always trying so hard, and I'm always in this horrid position of having to reject him.
Too hard on yourself.
And I want to be attracted to him again. I just don't know how.
남편에 대한 외로움으로 실수를 한 것을 인정한 미리암은 동생의 남편이자 오랜 친구인 딜런에게 고민을 털어놓죠. 그렇게 두 사람은 불이 꺼져가는 그곳에서 밤을 보내게 되는데 새벽녘 잠에 들어 몸을 가누지 못하는 미리암에게 딜런은 그녀의 거부에도 아랑곳하지 않고 강제로 그녀에게 폭력을 가합니다. 그리고 그날 아침
Look, I'm feeling guilty. You're feeling guilty.
Why would I be
Things
feeling?
escalated really quickly. It never should have happened.
No, it shouldn't. I
We
didn't
fucked
want
up.
it to. You fucked up.
You think that I... Really?
원치 않은 일방적 관계를 가진 것에 미리암은 사과를 요구하지만 딜런은 오히려 자신에게 보낸 신호에 답한 거라 말하고
I'm not going to talk to Greta. I just want to sort this out between us.
Tell her what? That you kissed me?
That's not
you
fair.
made a choice to kiss me?
No, I told you that didn't mean anything.
Yeah. You were pressing up against me?
No, I wasn't.
But look at me and say you haven't thought about it before, because I know you have, or you wouldn't have kissed me. You told me last night that you do selfish things, and I should have realized that when you kissed me, I should have stopped things, but...
I did stop things.
You were emotionally vulnerable.
I told you that in confidence.
Touching...
In confidence. I opened up to you about things I was really ashamed of because I wanted your help.
I'm not going to tell her anything.
이 일의 책임을 미리암의 탓으로 돌리고 말죠.
Did you sleep by the fire?
No, crashed on the couch.
Next time, wake me.
그리곤 뻔뻔하게 아무 일도 없었다는 듯 자신의 앞에서 동생과 행복한 모습을 보이고 그런 파렴치한 남자의 품에 안겨 있는 동생을 미리암은 언니로서 그냥 그대로 지켜볼 수 없었는데
Are we going all the way around?
Just to the island and back.
Well, at least I'm starting to feel warm.
Me too. I have to tell you something and I don't want you to freak out.
Why would I freak out?
It's about Dylan.
Okay.
Don't get angry.
I'm not angry.
결국 미리암은 끝까지 비밀로 하지 못하고 어릴 때부터 그랬듯이 동생을 지키기 위해 딜런에게 당한 일을 그레타에게 말해줍니다.
Last night by the fire, at some point I fell asleep. And when I woke up, I didn't know what was happening.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Don't do this.
I was unconscious. He was on top of me.
Don't.
I didn't realize what was happening.
Stop.
He wouldn't listen to me, Greta.
Don't.
He wouldn't listen.
Miriam, stop. I knew I couldn't trust you. He's been nothing but kind to you, and whatever happened, it wasn't this. You f***ed up, and you can't even own up to it.
하지만 그레타는 언니의 말을 믿지 않고 오히려 자신을 시기한 미리암의 잘못이라 말하는데 피부치 동생에게도 위로를 받지 못한 그녀는 그렇게 복수를 계획하게 됩니다. 가족 같았던 친구에게 받은 상처, 그리고 그런 사람을 믿었던 것에 대한 배신감, 피해자지만 어디 누구 하나 그녀를 위로해주는 사람이 없는 상황에서 그녀는 스스로를 지키기 위해 딜런에게 복수를 단행하게 되는데 복수를 마친 그녀는 증거를 없애기 위해 흘린 피를 닦아내고 온통 조각내어 완벽한 범죄를 꾸미게 됩니다. 그리고 남은 증거마저 처리하기 위해 길을 떠나던 중 그녀는 우연히 한 여자를 괴롭히는 남자를 보게 되고 자신이 겪었던 분노감에 그에게 다가가는데
Give those back to her! Give those back to her! I f***ing saw you, okay? I have it on my phone. I saw you.
Really?
Yeah, I saw you push her. Are you okay?
Back in your
Yeah,
car.
I know men
Go
like
back
you.
in your-
Don't f***ing touch me, mate. Don't f***ing touch me.
Go back in your car.
Don't speak to him like that. Please stop! 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 It's okay. It's nothing. Dobra?
복수를 끝났음에도 그녀의 통제되지 않는 내면의 트라우마가 여전히 남아있음을 알게 됩니다. 그리고 며칠 후 그레타를 도와 그녀의 시댁의 모임 준비를 도우러 간 미리암은 미리 준비한 그들 가족에게 먹일 아이스크림에 딜런의 곱게 빻은 뼈를 넣어버리고
So did I live?
What?
Your dream. Did I survive?
Then I saw you. Your face was all red, but you were still breathing, and I ran over to you and tried to get you down. I couldn't lift you and take the belt off at the same time, so I just tried to hold you up. I couldn't stop thinking how I didn't want the last thing that you experienced in the world to be me panicking. I wanted it to be of someone that really loved you. And I was holding you and just saying this, gonna be okay. And I knew it wasn't gonna be okay.
동생 그레타에게도 끝까지 이 사실을 말하지 않은 채 영화는 끝이 납니다.